Apparently with this microphone you can hear me rather well. Well, we had a little problem the other day. We were trying to find out what was wrong with our spider plant and found that it was overgrown. So what we're going to do is repot him, and I wanted to show you what I do once I sterilize the soil, because you have to replenish it, and I've never told you that before. This is what he's going to sit in when he's done, so he doesn't make a mess. But I want him to drain very well. So let's just get him put in. Yes, it was a gift. It has my name on it. I'm gonna be quiet. I like to spread them out. Just kind of put the soil in after them. Oh, he's not centered. There you go. There you go. Well, we might as well name him. A little peroxide in the water. Tell you what, I'll let you guys name him. Best answer. What I'm not liking is that he's not draining well. Okay, I'm happier. Alright, well, I'm going to give it a little bit of Nectars of the Gods one shot. He's just a little fella, he don't need much. I usually use this on my big boys. So, I'm just going to give him a little bit. I'm not too worried about touching it, it's organic. And then a little bit of recharge. This is what replenishes the soil. And I just put a little bit in there, it doesn't need a lot. And we'll check up on him. Oh, like I'll do a review again, I think here in about 3 weeks maybe. But that was all I have for you today. Those are the products that I use. I forgot to tell you, when you sterilize the soil as much as I do, then you need to put something back into it. So this is my fertilizer that I use, and this is what I use to replenish the soil. You have yourselves a lovely day, and I will as well. I hope you could hear me better. One of these days I'll show you what it is I do to actually make this happen loud. I'm attached to the phone. I'll talk to you later. Bye.